the hell is this? Norman, you little weenie. This chick couldn't get her lazy-ass husband to go out and pick up the morning paper. So now she's training you to get the paper for her instead. Pretty soon, she'll have you taking out the garbage and also rubbing her feet. But little does she know, dogs are capable of doing almost anything humans can, like sitting on a toilet. Oh, I shouldn't have eaten that Paula Deen cake. Oh. Like driving a car. Oh, my feet can't reach. Okay, so maybe dogs can't do everything that humans can, but there is one thing that we dogs can do better than any other human. Oh yeah, doggy style! I even got 2 Oscars for it! Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to see more of me. Like this video down below. I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I am extremely honored to accept these 2 awards for Best Hunter. I would like to thank my buddy, BJ. Okay, get out my shot. This is for me. I would like to thank my buddy, BJ! BA! Okay, get out my shot. I'm the star, remember?